Gardening doesn't just look good, it can also improve air quality, reduce stress, and even save money on groceries. Today, we're diving into simple gardening hacks that anyone can start, no matter their experience level. Gardening has amazing benefits, with studies showing that having even a few plants around your home can boost air quality and make you feel more relaxed and productive. In fact, studies reveal that urban gardening can reduce stress by up to 25% while improving our indoor air by nearly 60%. Let's dive into how you can start a thriving garden, indoors or outdoors, with minimal space and resources. Let's start with how to pick the right plants, especially if you're just beginning. Choosing low-maintenance plants means you won't have to stress too much about constant watering or care. Indoor favorites like spider plants, pothos, and snake plants are nearly foolproof, and they do wonders for air quality. For outdoor spaces, tomatoes, radishes, and lettuce are among the easiest vegetables to start with. And if you want flowers, marigolds and sunflowers are hardy choices. Next, let's talk about one of the most important parts of gardening, the soil. Good soil can make or break your plant's growth. You don't need to spend a lot. You can enrich soil with compost you make yourself. Collect vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and even eggshells, and let them decompose. In just a few weeks, you'll have nutrient-rich compost to boost plant health. On to watering. Here's a helpful tip: watering deeply but less frequently encourages plants to develop stronger roots, which makes them more resilient. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top inch of soil feels dry. For indoor plants, you might only need to water once a week, depending on the plant. Avoid overwatering, as it's one of the most common mistakes and can lead to root rot. Let's talk about saving money on gardening supplies. Gardening doesn't have to be expensive. You can upcycle containers like old jars or yogurt cups to start seedlings, and many local nurseries give away small pots and soil for free. You can also trade seeds with friends or online communities to diversify your plant collection without spending a dime. Now we've covered the basics, but let's take things a step further with plant care routines. Try to set a regular schedule to check on your plants once a week. Inspect for pests, check moisture levels, and trim away any dead leaves. If you're growing vegetables, this routine will help you catch issues early on, like pests or signs of nutrient deficiency. Consistency is key here. Your plants will thrive if you stick to a regular care routine. When you're ready to expand, consider adding plants that help each other grow, known as companion planting. For example, planting basil near tomatoes can naturally ward off pests, and planting marigolds around your garden can protect your veggies from harmful bugs. These natural methods make gardening easier and help you avoid chemicals. And finally, for those looking to enjoy the fruits of their labor, let's talk about harvesting and replanting. Certain vegetables like lettuce and herbs can regrow if you leave a bit of the base in the soil after harvesting. This means you'll get multiple crops from a single plant, saving you time and money. As we wrap up, remember that gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a great way to improve well-being and sustainability, and it's rewarding to see plants grow from your care. If you're ready to take your gardening to the next level, check out my gardening ebook. It's packed with detailed guidance on building and maintaining a thriving garden, plus tons of tips for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with anyone who could use a little more green in their life. Check out my other videos for more lifestyle and wellness tips, and follow me for regular updates. Happy gardening!